In 1952, a small company in New Lisbon, Wisconsin, began producing cork-insulated commercial ice freezers. Through decades of commitment to product development, customer service, and a relentless focus on American-made manufacturing excellence, Leer has continued to shape and drive innovation in the temperature-controlled storage industry. So today, over 65 years later, we have customers in 52 countries, over 300,000 square feet of manufacturing space in Iowa and Wisconsin, and 220 employees who collectively all own the business. And I believe it's those employee owners that make a distinctive difference to Leer's dedication to quality and service across all our product lines. Be that our iconic white ice merchandisers or our custom-built walk-in coolers and freezers, you have the commitment not just of one owner, but 220 owners.
When Leer joined Dexter Apache Holdings, it became 100% employee-owned. Our mission is to leverage the spirit of employee ownership into delivering highly efficient, trusted quality products, backed with a lifetime of our support. We continuously reinvest back into our teams and our products to help more and more customers become more and more successful.
We are with you every degree of the way, and being an employee-owned company gives all of our employees incentive to wow customers and exceed their expectations in every way possible. We know that customer satisfaction starts with building your trust. To be successful, customers like you must believe in our quality and ability to fulfill your complex business needs in a timely and cost-effective manner.
An assigned member of our customer service team will be dedicated to your account throughout the quote, design, build, and delivery process, and to make sure your products are designed and manufactured to your needs. Our job is to ensure when the products reach your facility, there will be no surprises, and you're up and running problem-free.
We have a relentless focus on quality and delivery. Our goal is right first time, right every time. And if we ever fall short, we'll absolutely make it right. We haven't reached our goal until you've reached yours.
Quality, safety, and on-time delivery are not just goals, they are requirements, and we will meet them.
Together as a team, we're always looking for ways to improve. That way we can provide better service and a better product for you.
Focusing on product improvements and new product development keeps us excited and keeps Leer moving forward. Every year we strive to improve the quality, functionality, and reliability of our existing product portfolio and bring new products to market.
Reinvestment in our manufacturing assets had allowed us to counteract the ever-rising costs of doing business, reduce our lead times, and improve our product quality. We utilize world-class automation whenever we can. Becoming more efficient has helped us maintain our competitive position without sacrificing value or quality. In the past 3 years, we've invested over $8 million in new plant equipment. This has gotten our capacity and quality up and our lead times down. We're confident Leer's products will provide years of trouble-free operation and a value that cannot be beaten.
It's my belief that when you buy from Leer, you're not just purchasing a product, you're buying a commitment from all of us. And that's a promise to be with you every degree of the way and support you throughout the lifetime of ownership. We know we've been successful when customers become repeat customers, many of them decades old. We're proud of what the Leer brand name represents, and we'd be honored to have the opportunity to earn your business and become your trusted partner for temperature-controlled storage solutions.